The question is, why do you want to work in this company? Now, why is this question asked? This question is simply asked to understand your preparation, your homework. Have you prepared for the interview or not? Do you know what is the profile of the company? In which year the company was formed? What are its products? What are its services? What is its turnover? What is the number of employees? What is its uniqueness? The names of its CEO, founder, its mission, its vision. These are the things that you require to know before going in for that interview. So they want to understand that have you prepared for this interview or not? You have to tell them what attracted you, whether they are the excellent products or the superior services. See, it's a chance to express why you want to be the member of their team and how you will contribute as a loyal member. See, you have to tell them that you are not just looking for a job, you are looking for a career, and then relate your goals to the goals of the company. Never tell them that you like the location of the company, you like the pay package, or you are doing it just for the sake of experience. And if you are an experienced person, tell them it's a reputed company with a growth mindset, and it will provide you with a platform where you can exhibit your knowledge and skills. Now, how are you going to answer this question? Let us see a sample answer. Sir, it is a privilege to work in a reputed company like yours, which has been in business for last 20 years and is providing excellent customer services. Further, my knowledge and skills are matching with the requirements of the company where I can fit in and exhibit the same and contribute for the growth of the self and the company while learning. In addition, your reputation for rewarding the achiever is something that has appealed to me. तो इस तरह आप अपने उत्तर को बनाकर दे सकते हैं। तो देखिए, जब आपसे ये सवाल पूछा जाए तो आपको तैयारी के साथ जाना है, और वो आपकी तैयारी जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आपको पता है ये कंपनी कब बनी, उनके प्रोडक्ट्स क्या हैं, उनकी सर्विसेज क्या हैं, उनका मिशन विजन क्या है, उनकी सारी चीज़ें जो हैं कंपनी की वो आपको पता है कि नहीं पता है, कंपनी किस क्षेत्र में काम कर रही है और वो उसके आगे के प्लान्स क्या हैं, और उसके जो कोर वैल्यूज़ हैं कंपनी की वो क्या है, वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए। और जब अगर आपको ये पता होगी तो ये चीज़ उनके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट करेंगी और वे आपको लेने के लिए मजबूर हो जाएंगे। तो वो समझ जाएंगे कि ये सीखने वाला इंसान है और इसकी ज़रूरत कंपनी में हमेशा रहेगी, और ऐसे ही लोगों की ज़रूरत कंपनी में है।